Oh, my truck.
Every minute, we're losing land.
Watch out for gators. Seriously.
Call AAA out here?
For too long, we've been apathetic about protecting our wild places.
I'm not even sure I'm on a road.
What we save and what we pave over the next 10 years will determine the future of Florida, period.
We just hope this system is up and running.
Are these working or not?
Where are we?
This is the capital step.
They are being targeted right now by developers.
Moment of truth.
That project, unfortunately, will be houses.
Where do we go from there?
My name is Chad Crawford. For the past 15 years, I've introduced viewers to Florida's wild beauty. But right now, the paradise we know and love is being threatened like never before.
We are way better than this.
Join me as I meet the men and women fighting for our future. We'll dive headfirst into the environmental challenges threatening our way of life. This is our land, our paradise. It's time to stand together and protect what we love.